If you want to log out of Facebook from all devices at once, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. This is really useful if you've logged in on a shared computer, a friend's phone, or any device you no longer use, and you want to make sure your account is signed out everywhere for better security. Before we get into it, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and go to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile picture to open the menu. From there, look for Settings and Privacy and click on it. Once that expands, click Settings. This will take you into your main Facebook settings area. Next, find Account Center and click it. The Account Center is where Facebook keeps your account and security options in one place, so this is the section you'll need for managing logged-in devices. Inside Account Center, click Password and Security. After that, look for Where you're logged in and select it. This section shows all the devices and sessions currently connected to your Facebook account. Now you may see one account or multiple accounts here, depending on what you use with Facebook. Select your Facebook account to view the active sessions. Once the list loads, look for the option that says Log out of all sessions. Click that option to sign your account out everywhere at once. Facebook may ask you to confirm this action, so click Confirm to finish the process. And that's it. You've now logged out of Facebook from all devices. If you were still signed in on another phone, tablet, or computer, that session should now be ended. This is a smart security step if you ever lose a device, use a public computer, or just want to make sure nobody else has access to your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.